Hey, what's up, folks? It's Javi here with another episode of Fishing in the City, and I got my beautiful wife, Trish, and today we have the John boat. The other, our Astro is in the shop, and it's been there for a month. I mean, to get a new trolling motor put on and a tune-up a month, I guess supposedly all boat shops take that long. If they do, get back in the comments, let me know if they take that long with your boat. Anyway, we're gonna get out here and see if we can catch some crappie today. So stick with us and we'll see if we can get some action for you. Got a little depth finder here. Find fish. Come up on it, so we're gonna have to get the paddle maybe. Yeah, what do you mean? I'll pull you up with the rope maybe. Hold on. We just got here. Crappie and bass. We got some live minnows and some artificial. Yeah, thank you. Babe, I got one. It's a bass. It's a huge bass. He's a beast. He bent my hook too, look. Look at that beast, folks. There he is, folks. That's what we came for. Largemouth bass. All right, folks. We got him on the BOGO grips, and looks like he's about 5 pounds. Yep. 5 pounds. Right on the money, 5 pounds. All right, we're gonna get the release here. Get him back in the water so we can get rid of him. All right, so he can get home, get back to his bridge, to his pillar, where he lives. Make sure he's good and ready to go before you release him. Always try to face them the right way so they don't hit their face on the concrete. And that's what it's about. That's what we're out here for. Thank you, folks. I want to tell y'all real quick that how I butchered the name. It's Boga Grip. Easter Boga Tackle. So I butchered the name earlier and I just wanted to get it right. Here's our little setup for the day. Our boat is in the shop getting the new XI5 put on. There's the bait of the day. That's what I'm throwing.